Welcome to Pivotal Traders. I hope you all had a wonderful expiry day today. It was a very beautiful day and it gave some very nice moves. We were anticipating some correction from the past couple of days, but it was not happening. And today we got to trade that. And so let's quickly look at how we performed in terms of our analysis. Yesterday, I published an idea, and in the morning, I quickly revised it because the market was expected to open gap down, huge gap down, and I sort of quickly revised the idea which was shared in the morning itself. So let's look at it how the idea published on TradingView performed. So this was the range where the blue arrow is the range which I defined. So the market you can see pretty much closed within our range only, and it only in the last hour it showed a skipping. But that last hour is usually avoided by me because anything can happen in the last hour because a huge square off happens by the large institutional players, and those chunk of square off can wipe out all of your profit because the Greeks are not in your favor. Theta, though even though it increases, but the gamma might turn everything up and side, up and down. So that was the case which had happened. In the morning, I was analyzing these strike prices, which was 29,400 in the middle with its PE and CE, and it was sandwiched by 29,500 on the upper side CE and 29,300 on the lower side PE. So in the morning, when the market gapped down and it formed a vertical candle, in a sense, it was the vertical candle had a large wick on the both the sides, and the price was increasing, but 29,500 C was heavily increasing. So it was a very, this I even tweeted on my Twitter account that we are witnessing a very large increase in call writing on 20 at 29,500 C. So that was the conviction which I was getting that there would be some correction today and we might be able to see a very nice fall, but it was not happening in the first half of the day, though it came late, but even, anyway it did came. uh, but you can see here why the logic was very much prudent in the sense that the price which is depicted here in the black line was increasing. Even though the price was increasing, heavy call writing was happening at 29,500 level. So this gave me a very good conviction that 29,500 C I'm going to short it around that level, that time only, around 940. And I also shorted 29,600 C, and in the lower side I shorted 29,300 PE. So but throughout the day it gave a very confusing signal from 10:20 to 1 o'clock. uh, to 1 o'clock, it was very confusing for the market because sometimes 29,500 was leading, then 29,300 PE was leading. So I was very much confused around this time. What would be the leader and who would be the winner amongst these two, because it was very confusing to me. And I did wait a couple very long time for the price action to form and for the change in OI data to confirm its behavior. So let's look at the price, how it moved today. Okay, so I wanted to play a replay here. So let's do it like this only. It's quicker. Okay, so the first candle was vertical candle, as I said you. So as I said to you, that the first candle was vertical candle, which in a sense gave a reversal signal. Reversal means this was the direction of the fall and this is a reversal signal. So a reversal did happen like this and the market took off. And it took off by how many points? Almost, you can say 300 points. It was very bullish takeoff. But as you saw that I gave the range below 29,400, and I was hoping the price would end somewhere around here, around this level. Okay, sorry for the drawing, around this level. So what I did in the morning, I did short 29,500. Let me draw here 600. I did short, then I also shorted 29,500. So this was the on the upper side I shorted, and on the lower side 29,300. This one, this I shorted. Okay. So what was the conviction is that the market was, uh, behaving in a very, it formed an initial balance in the morning. I'll just tell you by drawing a box here. So this was the initial balance which it formed till 9:40. So this gave us a range, okay, for the rest of the day. And this was the range where the market was, kind of trading and kind of giving volatility to the players. So what I did is I kept waiting, and it turned out to be that even I just wanted to act if the price moves away from this level, this higher high, and breaks it further, and or if it goes to all the way to here, this level, then it comes down to trade. When the price moved like this, I'm very sorry, I'm not able to find the tools here. Here. So when the price moved like this, okay, it gave me a picture in my mind that it is forming some kind of symmetrical triangle, and I immediately drew it like this. Okay, this on the upper side and this on the lower side. So this triangle was formed. I was very much confused, like this triangle is formed and price is not coming down, even though the conflicting change in Y is taking place. Then I was when this candle took off, this breakout candle happened here. I was very much confused that the price would break to an upside, and it would take up from there. But I have a rule of two stop loss. Like when the price reaches to a level and it has become again for it to have a legitimate stop loss. So when the price came here, I was waiting for this candle to be broken up. But the price came down to test this point, this tip of the triangle. And when it came back, I was expecting that there would be formation of some bullish candle here, but it was not the case, and some inside candle was forming here. So you can see this blue inside candle did form here, and then this red candle gave the confirmation that this breakout, which was expected from the symmetrical triangle wedge formation, it failed here. So what I'm saying is that in terms of wedge, if we see this formation which it came, it was expected to go up like this one failed. And whenever there is a failure of any pattern, the reaction is pretty much very strange and very violent, and that's how the violent move on the downside was very quick to happen. So I was able to very nicely and made a very decent profit today of 28,000. And as soon as the price failed to keep it on the upper side, this red candle gave the confirmation and this downward move happened. And I was stopped out of my PE shorting, but it also ended up in green because I was trailing my profits. because that's what I do after 1 o'clock. I don't risk my any profit because anything can happen. I was expecting that the price would move uh, very high if this becomes a very genuine breakout, but it did not happen. So I hope you all enjoyed the video on the price analysis and most importantly on the change in OI, how it affected my idea to select the strike prices and made me calm even though nothing was happening till 1 o'clock. So that's how it is. I hope you all enjoy the weekend. Have a great day.